The Israeli military's use of AI in Gaza has introduced a new era of warfare, with many unexamined implications. AI is being used by the IDF to select targets and organize strikes, a system called Fire Factory, which accelerates the process. The IDF has been investing heavily in AI, believing it to be the key to modern military efficiency. AI's role in the battlefield is expanding rapidly, but it carries significant risks due to reliability and unpredictability in novel situations. The IDF claims every AI-chosen target is reviewed by a human, but the quick pace might lead to oversight. Transparency issues around AI algorithms pose a challenge to accountability and understanding of military decisions. AI systems might encode biases, often struggling with tasks that humans can easily generalize from limited data. Despite the high-tech surveillance, the IDF failed to detect plans for the Hamas attack on October 7. AI might accelerate target selection, but errors may be harder to discern, potentially leading to wrongful actions. Israel's reliance on AI and the secrecy surrounding it suggests a confidence that may not be fully warranted. There's a fear that AI could amplify the destructive capacity of the military, with algorithm errors obscured by the fog of war. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.